Hello everyone! For this week's project, we're going to try shadow drawing with kitchen utensils. So before we get started, make sure you have all your supplies ready. You're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, and an interesting kitchen utensil. Also something you can prop up your kitchen utensil on. When looking for a kitchen utensil, you want to choose something that has interesting shapes and maybe holes or sections that are cut out. I chose an apple cutter for mine because I like the kinds of shapes and shadows it produced on my paper. I used a small bowl to hold up my apple slicer. Once you've propped up your utensil over your paper, you should see some shadows. If the shadows are not clear enough, play around and reposition your utensil until you have a better view. Once you're all set up, go ahead and begin tracing the shadows that you see on your paper. This part might take a while. Don't rush. Once you've traced as much of the shadow as you can, then you can start to make some adjustments. I wanted to straighten out some of my lines, so I used a ruler. Then you can start to choose certain shapes to shade. So think about grayscale from third grade when we did our space unit, and we used charcoal, and we really worked on making as many lights and darks in one picture as we could. Once I finished all my pencil shading, then I took a black pen and just had fun and played around with it. Don't forget to sign your work and post it on Seesaw.